Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, so glad to have you. So you just probably either watched my Boxy charm video with my same outfit here, my swatch on, so just ignore that. I got a couple of bags today and I wanted to do them both, get them out of the way. Because I have a pretty busy weekend this weekend. Gonna do some fun, exciting stuff with my family. Hopefully you guys are gonna have a great weekend yourselves and lots of fun and all that stuff. So what I did this time is this month, I got on eBay. I went on eBay and I bought one of their $15 mystery women's bags. It's not necessarily a beauty bag. It was just a mystery women's bag. So it came in this little paper with my address and all that stuff on the other side. So we'll go ahead, get it open here. The first thing I'm gonna pull out, if I can get it out of the bag, is this little yellow envelope. So exciting! Have you guys ever ordered anything off of Amazon or eBay? If you did, what was your experience? You probably watched my last video where I did the try on of the products I got out of my Amazon bag. If not, I'll link that below and you guys can go check it out. All right, so the first thing I got is Flawless Brows. This is the little paper here telling you how to do it. It comes with this, I'm assuming this little eyebrow brush. This is stunning packaging though. Look at this. Put that down. This is beautiful packaging. I love this. Comes with like, ooh, look, oh, girl, what in the world? Look at that. Okay, well, that looks like I don't know. Let me find out what this is. This is probably not what I think it is. I thought it was maybe going to be an eyebrow color, but no, it's definitely not. It says, finishing touch, flawless brows. Removes hair instantly and pain-free. Okay. I'm actually excited for this then. So it tells you all about how to do it right here. How cool is that? All right, so for me, if this works, that's worth 15 bucks right there. So, because you know what, we have to maintain these brows. So that is a brow hair remover. So I can do touch-ups in between going to the salon or something. How cute. Okay, not mad at that at all. All right, okay, we got one more thing in here. Looks like a little necklace. Get this open. Isn't this exciting? I just love it. Oh my gosh. Get my scissors here. So, have you guys ever used one of those brow hair remover thingies that I just got? I never have. I've thought about getting one several times, but never did. So, I'm glad now that I don't have to. I have one. Ooh, that is pretty. That is gorgeous. And it's like a rose gold shade. Has like a little, excuse me, a little gem inside there. I will absolutely wear the heck out of this. That is gorgeous. So far for my 15 bucks, Mama's not complaining at all. All right, what else did we get here? We have another little bag in here. Let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got in here. Oh, ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo! I don't know. See, I don't know about this right here. They're trying to play me with this. Magnetic eyelashes. Here's the back of it. Oh, I just don't know, guys. I tried. I went and bought some of those magnetic lashes before. Girl, I about ripped my eyelashes out. And then they were all up here, and so I don't know. I don't know. Do any of you guys like magnetic lashes and would like me to put this in a giveaway for you? Because I'm probably not going to wear them. So if anybody would like these to go into one of my giveaways, let me know in the comments below. Those scare me. If you know how to put those on, more power to you, sweetheart, because I'm not that smart. So then I got this little box right here. This is the last thing in my bag. Oh. Okay, how pretty is that? It's a watch. Ah, how nice. Aw, okay. See, the thing is, though, with that is I don't wear watches. I love bracelets, things like that, but I don't typically wear watches. So this is most likely going to go into a giveaway, one of my giveaways as well. It's very pretty. Look at those like stones in there and stuff. And the hands on it are really, really pretty. So, and it's got like a, it's not like an elastic band. It has like a, this is like a magnetic, look at this, see if I can show you. So so that's pretty neat. So I'm going to probably put this in a giveaway as well. It's very pretty. I just don't wear watches. If I did, I would absolutely rock this watch. So I'm going to put it back in on the little pillow it comes with. Look at that little pillow. How cute. So this box, guys, I was not disappointed with this box at all. In fact, I think I kind of liked it just a little bit better than the Amazon one that I got last time. And this one was from eBay. Have you guys ever tried an Amazon or eBay mystery bag? If you have, let me know in the comments below what your experience has been, what you've gotten. So the next time I go with a mystery bag, I'm going to go up a little bit, and I'm probably going to go to like the $30 or $40 mark. And then I'm just going to continue to work my way up. But yeah, I am not disappointed, especially with this. Woo-hoo-hoo. So you guys have a fantastic weekend. Have a great day. And always stay beautiful. Bye.